Hey website admins, Jack Wallen here to help you get things done. Let's figure out how to back up your websites on Linux with some very simple and built-in commands.
Let's back up a WordPress site. First, back up the database by logging into the hosting server and issuing the command sudo mysql dump WordPress db greater than WordPress db-backup.sql. Now that your database is backed up, it's time to back up the WordPress directory. Let's assume that directory is /var/www/html/WordPress. To back up that directory, issue the command sudo tar-cpvzf wordpress-backup.tar.gz /var/www/html/WordPress. Make a copy of your Apache configuration file with sudo cp/etsy/apache2/sites-available/wordpress.conf ~/wordpress.conf. The first step in the restoration is to restore the database with the command sudo mysql WordPress db less than WordPress db-backup.sql. Next, we'll restore the backup directory to the Apache document root with tar-xzvf wordpress-backup.tar.gz sudo mv wordpress/var/www/html. Move your Apache configuration file with sudo mv wordpress.conf/etsy/apache2/sites-available. Finally, enable the site with sudo a2nsite WordPress.
Hey everybody! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our Tech Republic YouTube channel, and be sure to check out more how-to videos at How to Make Tech Work.